The topic I'm covering in this tutorial might seem unusual, but it's also surprisingly interesting. Boiling an egg may seem simple, but achieving a perfectly boiled egg consistently is a challenge. Some mornings the egg turns out overly hard, while others it's too runny, proving that mastering the art of boiling an egg is not as easy as it appears and isn't guaranteed every time. Scientists have developed a reliable method to achieve perfectly boiled eggs every time, ensuring excellent consistency and quality. However, this breakthrough technique requires a patient wait of 30 minutes to complete the process. Before explaining the method of boiling an egg correctly and the science behind it, let us tell you that both the yolk and the white of the egg cook at different levels of temperature. The yolk needs only 65 centigrade to cook, while the white needs 85 centigrade. In the conventional approach to boiling eggs, a middle way is typically employed to achieve a balanced outcome. To obtain a fully hardened yolk, the egg should be boiled at 100 to 4°C for a specific duration. However, if the goal is a softer, runnier yolk, this high-temperature method should be avoided, and an alternative approach must be adopted to suit the desired result. There is another way of boiling an egg, which is called south-wide. In this method, the egg is boiled for an hour at 60 to 70 centigrade. In this, the yolk will be soft, and the white will also not be too hard. But if you like a perfect boiled egg, then a solution has been found. The egg is perfectly boiled, and the fun is also great. At Italy's Fazili International Research Council, researchers used computational fluid dynamics to study the egg cooking process. This approach involves computer simulations to predict how fluids behave based on physical principles like mass, momentum, and energy. The resulting method, called periodic cooking, is innovative for both experienced chefs and kitchen beginners. It involves cooking eggs in water at two distinct temperatures for a total of 32 minutes. In one vessel, water is maintained at a boiling temperature of 100 to 4°C, while in another, water is kept at 30 to 4°C. To achieve a perfectly boiled egg, transfer the eggs between these two vessels every 2 minutes for a total of 32 minutes, alternating between the boiling and cooler water. This method may seem challenging, as most people are accustomed to simply leaving eggs in one pot to boil. However, scientists emphasize that this technique produces a perfectly boiled egg, which is both delicious and nutritious.